When loading a moving truck, it's important to pack your things safely and efficiently. Here are 5 tips to make your moving day as smooth as possible. Get the hardest part out of the way first, by loading all of your bigger items. This makes a good foundation for the rest of your things as you go. Most Thrifty trucks are fitted with a hydraulic lifter to help with lifting larger furniture and appliances, saving you a lot of effort and a lot of risk. Our Thrifty team will show you how to safely use our hydraulic lifter at pickup. Save space by disassembling furniture like tables and bookcases. This makes carrying these items a lot easier and helps to maximize space in the truck. Protect them with blankets and rugs and secure them with rope so they stay in place. You'll notice that smaller cubby holes will start to appear as you pack larger items. Have a pile of smaller items nearby to fill those gaps as you go, making sure they're wedged securely in place. Once your load is all set and ready to head to your new home, remember to drive safely and carefully to avoid the risk of damage or your load shifting along the way.